Your Genesis comes equipped with a voice recognition feature called Hey Genesis, which enables hands-free activation of the dynamic voice recognition system. For the best user experience with dynamic voice recognition, ensure you have an active Genesis Connected Services account. New Genesis vehicles can be enrolled and registered by visiting owners.genesis.com. When activated, the Hey Genesis feature allows hands-free activation of the dynamic voice recognition system by simply saying, Hey Genesis. To turn on or off Hey Genesis, press Setup, Voice Recognition, and then select or deselect Wake Up Word. You can also adjust the wake-up sensitivity to reduce accidental activation. After saying, Hey Genesis, you will be prompted by the voice recognition system. From here, you can follow up with any of the standard voice commands. This includes common voice recognition commands such as navigating to points of interest, turning on or off the climate control system, and more. For a list of available commands, say Commands or Help when prompted. To optimize the voice recognition system, be sure to close all the doors and windows to keep the interior as quiet as possible. For more information, be sure to explore the how-to videos on the Genesis USA YouTube channel, as well as consult owners.genesis.com and your owner's manual.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to the Genesis USA YouTube channel for more great videos and visit genesis.com for more info.